This is a step-by-step process by which you can verify your Google advertising account, or you can complete the Google advertiser verification for Google Ads. So when you log into your Google Ad Manager, you hover around the billing, you see advertiser verification. So you click on it. So you'll be asked to verify. You just see something like, normally they will ask you whether you are verifying for yourself or for your business. Okay, so in this case, I actually want to verify for my client. So when you check here, you see verify your client. I'm verifying for my client. So I'll click on get started. It brings me here and it says pass advertiser verification by September 9, 2024, create or select payments profile for the advertiser, provide info about the advertiser name and location, and confirm some personal info. So I'll just click on continue. If I want my client to do it himself, I'll just copy this link and send to him, and he'll be able to continue. But I'm doing it for him. So I just click on continue. I'm asked to select a payment profile. So I have to, this is one for myself, and this is the one for my client. So I'll just click on this one. And then I'll click on continue. Then they are not asking me they are now just telling me what I will need for the verification. Now, before I continue, let me let you know something. The certificate of incorporation you are going to use, the address of the business, make sure that address matches the address on your payment profile. If it doesn't match, you make sure you change it. How do you do that? Come to your billing, the billing section of your payments account. Then you go to, when you come to the billing section of your payment account, go to the settings. Okay, under the settings, you will see payer details. So you click on the payer details. Then you will see the information about your business. So make sure that the organization's address is exactly the same as what is on your account, your certificate of incorporation. Make sure that what is here is the same as what is on your certificate of incorporation. If it is not the same, you just make the changes. If not, it is going to affect you. Okay, so you do all that and then you come back. Then you click on I agree to the collection, use, and retention and processing of my ID and personal data as described by Google Payments Privacy Policy. So you click on start verification. So now they're asking about the organization's name. So you put in the organization's name, then they are describing further the details they need. Then they'll ask you to submit the document. So they are asking of the document. Let me submit it. So I've selected a certificate of incorporation, and then I'm opening it. So I've uploaded it. So I just click on next. So they are asking me to enter the organization's address. So just go and then copy. So this is the postcode. Province, Ontario. City, Hamilton. So that is, as you can see, enter either the address on the document you submitted or where the organization is registered. So that is the information on the document. So just extra checking to make sure that everything is fine. The street address, the city, the postcode, the province name. Everything is just exactly as it appears. I nearly made a mistake about the postal code, but I think that is the correct one. Everything is fine. So I'll just click on continue next. It says just a minute. They are asking me to use the updated format. It's almost the same, only that the just some part of the street address they've removed. So I'll just click on confirm. Then they are asking of the registration number. Just copy it. So I'll just click on next. Then they are now asking of my name. It says enter the exact same name from the document, include your given name and family name, if applicable, to make sure we have it right. So I'm putting my name. Then the country. Then they have updated the ID type I can use. So I'm using national identity card. Okay, so I'm uploading the front of my card. Okay, they're saying they couldn't read my ID card. So let me just try it again. Okay, so this one, it is able to read it. Then I'm also uploading the back. It's also able to read it. So I'll just click on next. Now it is asking of my address. Well, at the address part is supposed to be my local address, my personal address. And my personal address is not the same as the business address. My address is Ghana, but the business address is Canada. But it's not allowing me to choose Ghana. So I'm going to still put on the company's address. So because when I go back, you see, the location that I chose is Ghana. And when I click on next, it is supposed to provide information about Ghana, but it is not allowing me here. So I'll just choose the company's address, then move on. So I've put all of that information. I just need to go back and check everything, confirm the name of the organization. Then I look at the address of the organization, the incorporation number, the name, my name, my legal name and my ID, then my address. So now I'm submitting. So I'm submitting. Confirm. To fix this, verifiable accepted proof of identity document, a name that exactly matches the name of the proof of identity. Okay, I'm retrying again. Yeah. So the last part, the only problem, the little problem I have here is they want my account. If you look here, they said the issuing country of the document does not match the payment profile. So my client is in Canada. And when we were creating the payment account and adding the debit card, we used the Canada as the address. So they are simply saying that they want the payment profile to match with the personal information here. So in that case, I'm just adding my client himself and using his address. But almost everything I just showed you is how it's supposed to be done. Just if this one wasn't a problem, it would have gone successfully and the verification would have been successful. I have done this for many clients across the whole world. So if you get to this part, just make sure that the payment profile and the personal information are from the same country. Then you verify it and then it will go successfully. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section if you have any problem and I'll come in to help you. If you also want me to set Google ad campaigns for you, Facebook, Instagram ads, or to help you fix any advertising restriction related problem, I am available. You can leave your comments in the comment section and we will come in to help you. Thank you once again. My name is David Asana and I am a digital marketer and I specialize in Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. Bye-bye and see you in the next video.